This video will show how you troubleshoot and fix a leaking door on your dishwasher.
Yep.
Oh shit. There it goes again.
You got it on video?
Yep.
Good job.
Oh, and over here too. Damn it. Oh, and over here too. Oh, gee. If the dishwasher is leaking around the bottom of the door as opposed to underneath the dishwasher, it can typically be one of four things. The first thing you want to check is the door gasket. And the gasket runs up the right side, across the top, and then down the left side of the dishwasher, but it does not cross the bottom of the dishwasher. The second thing you want to check is the door seal, which is across the bottom of the door. And the third thing is going to be the float, which sits inside the dishwasher and regulates the height of the water inside the dishwasher. The fourth thing you want to check is the wash arm. So in order to figure out what is leaking inside the dishwasher, we've got a secret weapon. So what we're going to do is take this GoPro, stick it inside this waterproof thing, and stick it in the dishwasher while it's running so we can see what it is that's leaking. The reason I did this was because I really didn't want to just start throwing parts at the dishwasher not knowing what was leaking, and I figured having eyes inside the dishwasher while it was running would help me see if the water level was too high, perhaps it was a float, or what was going on exactly. And right away when we were looking at it, we could see that the wash arm had water coming out the side. This is the main wash arm from the bottom of the dishwasher. And to get it off, you just spin this guy in either clockwise or counterclockwise, not sure which way. Now, the reason it was leaking, from the video you could see it was leaking from either right here or right here. And I mean, it was gushing out with quite a lot of force. Now, it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to shoot. The jets are supposed to just shoot up like that and then also out this way, which makes it spin. Well, it was not really spinning anymore because a deluge of water was coming out there or here, one of the two. So actually I thought about taking this thing apart, and what it is it's glued together. So I pried this apart with the screwdrivers, and this is what it looks like. Now, you'd be lucky if you could glue this back together so that it wouldn't leak. So instead, what I did was I ordered off Amazon the exact same arm for $84. Free shipping. It'll be here in 2 days. So I'm going to put on the new one and see if that fixes the problem. So what I figured was happening was the deluge of water was coming out of right here and pointed directly at the door, and wherever it was pointed at the bottom of the basin is where it was leaking, because this door seal isn't actually a seal. It isn't meant to stop a deluge of water coming at it. So fixing this is what actually fixed the water leak for me.